F-7, America's newest light combat jet. F-7 will replace F-16s in 2040s. Before we start, like our video and subscribe to our channel. According to a U.S. Air Force official, the service is actively considering replacing its outdated F-16 fighter jets with the F-7, an armed version of the Boeing T-7A Red Hawk. The USAF has not talked to Boeing about developing the aircraft, adding that an RFI request for information will be prepared to outline necessary requirements to industry under the Chatham House Rule. The choice to proceed with an RFI suggests that the USAF wishes to incorporate the opinions of other contractors who can integrate new technologies and weapons. The T-7's open architecture and digital design encourage this kind of advancement and industry cooperation. The representative refrained from providing additional details regarding the plans, but Boeing has previously stated that the T-7, a trainer aircraft, may be modified to incorporate missiles or bombs in place of the Northrop Grumman F-5 and Dassault Dornier Alpha Jet platforms. The USAF could retain its decreasing fighter force structure by using an F-7 fleet to replace outdated weaponry. Although not as sophisticated as an F-35, an F-7 would theoretically be roughly equivalent to a fourth-generation fighter, a Boeing representative stated in a statement released today. Although we are currently focused on delivering the T-7A Red Hawk to the USAF as quickly and safely as possible, we have always envisioned growth for the T-7 aircraft and believe it's an excellent candidate to fulfill many roles in the future. Originally intended to replace the T-38C Talon, the trainer was created with the aid of digital tools, simulation modeling, and advanced manufacturing techniques. According to the USAF, having the Red Hawk will enable pilots to concentrate on a variety of technologies such as smart weapons, simulated radars, data links, and defensive management systems. Training aircraft have frequently been converted into light fighters by industry. Two examples are Britain's Hawk and South Korea's F-8-50, which was based on the T-50 supersonic trainer. Will the new variant of T-7 Red Hawk be an ideal aircraft to replace the F-16? Write your comment below. That concludes our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the video.